Just in time for spring and summer, this updated second-row, two-bedroom, two-bath furnished condo in the popular Cherry Grove section of North Myrtle Beach offers outstanding, unobstructed ocean views. With balcony access from both the living room and master bedroom, sunrises over the ocean won't be missed. Recent improvements include luxury vinyl flooring, new furniture, vanities, water heater, and HVAC system. This inviting condo is housed in Ocean Terrace, a raised beach building with convenient parking, elevator, and swimming pool, and is only a short walk to the famous Boulineaus Oceanside Shopping Complex and the heart of Cherry Grove, with its grand fishing pier and time-honored seafood restaurants. Also close by is Main Street in North Myrtle Beach, birthplace of the Shag, and home of the Ocean Drive Pavilion and its world-renowned entertainment. Don't miss the chance to own this captivating unit and experience the beauty of Cherry Grove and North Myrtle Beach.